Hey there! Today we're going to be making some Magic Kingdom inspired cupcakes for the holidays. They are making these vanilla cupcakes with green frosting with a little bit of a Mickey flair in there with some ears and a hat. This is super easy to make. I will leave all the recipes you need in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this cupcake. Start by baking off your vanilla cupcakes. I will leave my recipe below for this. And then get your pearls, some green frosting, some white fondant, or you can use white chocolate, some chocolate candy melts, and some cherries. We're gonna start by coating the top of the cupcakes with these pearls. I saw in the picture that they have these on there. This is optional. If you want it to be exactly like the ones they offer at the parks, do this step. If not, you can skip this. And then get your green frosting. Grab your cupcake and just do a swirl on this. Make it look like a Christmas tree. Here's a closer look at that. And then we're gonna put the chocolate candy melts for the ears, and then the cherries are gonna be like hats. So place your cherry on the top. And then grab your black candy melts and put the ears in. Then we're going to place these aside and make our snowflake fondant decorations. If you have a snowflake mold, you can just do this with white chocolate. If not, you can do it with fondant. Just roll out some white fondant. Get a snowflake cutter. I'm using this stamp cutter for it. And you're gonna wanna do this at least a day before so that your fondant can harden. And then just add this to the side of your cupcake. And then we're going to sprinkle this with powdered sugar to make it look like snow. And that's it for these cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to keep up to date with all the holiday videos I'm going to be making, hit the subscribe button as well. If you want to see pictures of these cupcakes and everything I've been making, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below as well. If you want to leave a suggestion for a future video, leave it in the comments down below as well. Until next time, stay sweet.